Filipino people implore the aid of Almighty God in order to build a just and humane society and establish a government that shall embody our ideas and aspirations, promote the common good, conserve and develop our patrimony, and secure to ourselves and our posterity the blessing of independence and democracy under the rule of law, in the regime of truth, justice, freedom, love, equality, and peace. Do ordain and form again this Constitution